Hello. So I bought this Honda, didn't have a key, so I went to the dealership. They told me it would be $499 for a new key for this car. I was like, damn it. So I got a couple keys here from eBay. One of them's a used one, OEM, and the other one's one of those aftermarket crappy ones. Spoiler alert, the aftermarket crappy one did not work. But here I am trying the OEM one. Got my trusty scanner tool. So yeah, go through the process and see if it works. So this was kind of annoying. I had to get the scanner tool to turn the car on, but luckily it worked. And yeah, it's one of those push button start keys, the smart key. Gotta push the button twice. All keys lost. Only one key in the car at a time. So you gotta press 1. Then it makes you turn it on and off a few times. Like I think 4 times. Then you check and make sure the security indicator light is off. Then you gotta switch it off again. On and off, on and off. I think it's just testing to make sure that the key works. Success! And yay, it worked. So here I am trying to start the car. Fires right up. Says low on oil. Oh no. First time I started this car. Success. But yeah, totally. They wanted $499 for the smart key, and then they wanted $200 to program it. So the used OEM key was $100 on eBay, and that crappy aftermarket key was $30. But it worked. Car people.